Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Marble Fun World. As you all know, this channel, all we talk about is cryptocurrency and everything you need to know. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can run an airdrop. So there's no time to check time, let's just get started. So as you can see, this referral link, you click on it. Telegram, go to your Telegram. You don't have Telegram on your phone, just go download it because that's where the main thing is. As you can see, guys, the link takes me to this bot, to this bot. So I'm just going to do what the bot asks me to do. I'll have to follow the instructions. So let's just get started. What can this bot do? So let's just get started. Okay, you were invited by user Mega. Hello, this airdrop will be this. As you can see, I'll click on join airdrop. Okay, guys, as you can see, before I have to join the airdrop, I have to do the mandatory tags. We've already joined the Telegram. Then what we're going to do next is join their channel. Click on join. I've already joined the channel. Okay, I will join their news page. Join. Okay, guys, everything under the mandatory tag should be carried out, should be done. I've joined their Telegram channel news page. So the next thing is Twitter page. I have to on my VPN before I can connect to my Twitter. So I'm going to use that VPN. And the main reason why I'm using VPN is that in my region, Twitter is not allowed, and money must be connected. You can see the VPN is connected. It's very fast. So let's continue. Go follow them on their Twitter page. Hello. So guys, I've already followed them, so I'll go back to their Telegram channel to see what are the tags remaining to do. Okay guys, I've already followed. So they said I should comment butterfly shed in the official group. Okay, I'll go back to that's their Telegram group. So guys, it will all be in capital letters, so I'll just comment. Then I'll go back to the bot to see what is next for me to do. Then I'll like our Facebook page. Okay, open. I already logged in my Facebook. So guys, this is what they asked me to do, just for me to like their. Okay, then I'll go back to the bot to see what next for me to do. Okay, retweet this post. So guys, what is left for us to do is go back to our Twitter page to retweet their post and use this hashtag, and we should tag our 3 friends. So let's do that. Okay guys, the first thing I'm just going to do is first of all like their post. As you can see, guys, there are 1,216 retweets and there are 457 quote tweets. I'm happy to tell you that these 457 quote tweets are the only people that will receive the airdrop, because this 1,216 did not quote the tweet. So the best thing for you to do is just go and quote the tweet rather than retweeting. So guys, I'm just going to quote retweet, tag 3 people and use the hashtag. So guys, I'm just going to comment to the moon with the emoji of fire. And then as for what they said we should tag 3 of my friends. That'll be at Serious the Great, at Cutie, yes, and the last at Excalibur. So after tagging these 3 people, then I'm going to use their hashtag butterfly says post, butterfly shed nest, and BSC. Done. After that, we'll go back to the Telegram channel to check what's next. Then, since I guess I'm done with all the attacks, then I'll press submit my details. Join our Telegram, follow us on Twitter. Done. Okay guys, I'll just copy their link, then paste it back to them, and just put my username at the end. That's the easiest and the fastest way to save time. So guys, let's go and follow them on their Instagram page. You can see the user not found. You click on continue. So you can't find them on Instagram. As you can see, guys, you can't find them on Instagram, so just paste your own username to them and send it to them. Like our page. Join that too. Copy my username at the end. Yes. Submit the 20 address. Then I'll go to my Trust wallet to submit my BEP20 address. Our BEP20 is Binance Smart Chain, so I'll copy the address so that I can be able to go to the airdrop. Congratulations, great, 200 BUSD successfully added to your balance. Woohoo! Successful! Draw now. If you want to refer people, then you click on this statistic so that you can get your, as you can see, that will be your referral link. this will be your referral link. So you copy it and paste it and share it to wherever you want to, so that people can be under you for the airdrop. So that's my own referral link, guys. Guys, there are some airdrop without telegram tags, so that it will be easier more than this. As you can see, this one is a very, very long process before we finally get to the end. So guys, that is all. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification, so that whenever I drop a video, you will be notified. Don't forget to comment, like, thumbs up, and just tell me anything you want me to talk about. Bye bye.